Hello, wonderful people. Welcome to Biafra Broadcast 247, a channel that is always committed to supplying you legit information as it pertains to happenings around the world. If you are yet to subscribe to this wonderful channel, do so by clicking on that red subscribe button. You can as well turn on the bell icon to always be the first to get a notification anytime we upload a new video. Having done that, I'd like you to listen attentively to this important update. More trouble for Oshomole as lawyer drags Kano court judge who set aside verdict suspending him as APC to National Judiciary Council. Andrew Mwanta, a human rights lawyer, has filed a complaint against Justice Lewis Alagoa of the Federal High Court, Kano. Justice Alagoa was the presiding judge that upturned the earlier judgment by Abuja Court that suspended Adams Oshomole as APC National Chairman. In his complaint before the National Judiciary Council, Mwanta claimed that Justice Alagoa's verdict has plunged the ruling party into transitional crisis. A human rights lawyer, Andrew Mwanta, has dragged Justice Lewis Alagoa of the Federal High Court, Kano, to National Judiciary Council, NJC, over his recent judgment reversing the earlier verdict suspending All Progressive Congress APC chairman Adams Oshomole. Channels TV reports that Mwanta filed the complaint on the ground that the judgment has plunged the ruling party into transitional crisis after the embattled APC national chair fell down the pecking order with the top hierarchy of the party. Biafra Broadcast 247 recalls that in a judgment delivered by Justice Danlami Senchi of the Federal High Court, Abuja, on Wednesday, March 4, Oshomole was suspended as the chairman of the ruling party. The former Edo governor was told to cease from further calling himself the national chairman of APC, pending the determination of the suit filed before the court seeking his removal. But in another separate judgment delivered in Kano on Thursday, March 5, the Federal High Court sitting in Kano dismissed the verdict which suspended Oshomole as party chair. The court pronouncement, which was delivered by Justice A. Lewis Alagoa in Kano State, directed all the parties in the suit to maintain status quo. Mwanta, in a reaction, expressed that Justice A. Lewis Alagoa's judgment is gross misconduct, which has brought a crisis to the party. Meanwhile, Biafra Broadcast 247 earlier reported that the end of the road may be near for Comrade Adams Oshomole as governors on the platform of the All Progressive Congress APC has asked the National Executive Council NEC of the party to immediately replace him to fill the vacuum created by his suspension. The governors, through the Director General of the Progressive Governors Forum, PGF, Salihu Lukman, on Friday, March 6, asked Oshomole to quit. Governor Godwin Obaseki's foot soldiers in the Edo chapter of the party had gotten Oshomole suspended from his ward in Etsako West local government area of the state. A federal high court in Abuja on Wednesday, March 4, upheld the decision of the Edo APC chieftains and suspended Oshomole. Oshomole's attempt to get the decision reversed through another federal high court in Kano was rebuffed by APC leaders. The governor said pending the resolution of the crisis, Article 17 of the party's constitution, which states that no vacuum is allowed, should be invoked. Before now, there were rumors that Senator Abiola Ejimobi will take over the affairs of the party in an acting capacity. Ajimobi, a former governor of Oyo State, was named deputy national chairman of the party on Wednesday, March 4. With the governors not recognizing Ejimobi's appointment, it is safe to say the state chief executives are now in firm control of the party's machinery. Some sources, a former governor of Cross River State, Clement Ebri, may succeed Oshomole. Ebri had contested the position with Oshomole in 2018, but withdrew his nomination after pressure from some party chieftains. Some Nigerians on social media has this to say. Lekan Adigun wrote, "I'm beginning to think the courts are assuming powers they don't have. Judges will soon start arrogating to themselves the powers to appoint party chairs. The powers to discipline party officers are internal disciplinary mechanisms." Ona Chijoke wrote, "It's unfortunate that President Buhari would turn his back on Oshomole, who stood with him all through the campaigns and delivered him as president in 2019. Meanwhile, efforts by some aides of Oshomole to gain entrance into the APC secretariat in Abuja were rebuffed by security agents on Friday, March 6. Oshomole's royalists were denied access to the party secretariat by a detachment of policemen drawn from the counter-terrorism units, mobile and regular forces. The policemen had sealed the party secretariat and laid siege on the facility since the verdict of the Federal High Court in Abuja suspending Oshomole. In a related development, a recent media report indicates that the recent crisis in the ruling APC is a power play between the party's governors and their national leader, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. According to the report, Tinubu installed Oshomole while the party's national chairman have been shielding the former Lagos state governor from the party's governors, many of who have 2023 ambition. Sources quoted in the report say the latest crisis is part of the bid to grab the soul of the APC for the 2023 presidential fight. Once again, the headline of the news: more trouble for Oshomole as lawyer drags Kano court judge who set aside verdicts suspending him as APC chair to National Judiciary Council. Andrew Mwanta, a human rights lawyer, has filed a complaint against Justice Lewis Alagoa of the Federal High Court, Kano. Justice Alagoa was the presiding judge that upturned the earlier judgment by Abuja Court that suspended Adams Oshomole as APC national chairman. In his complaint before the National Judiciary Council, Mwanta claimed that Justice Alagoa's verdict has plunged the ruling party into transitional crisis. My dear wonderful viewers, this podcast is coming your way live and direct from Biafra Broadcast 247, a channel that is always committed to supplying you legit information as it pertains to happenings around the world. I believe you may have one or two thoughts or opinions concerning this post. You can kindly put them down right there at the comment section. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you are visiting this channel for the first time. And also for more videos like this, turn on that bell icon to always be the first to get a notification anytime we upload a new video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and a share. See you next time. God bless you.